Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can download a song on Mureka AI. In order to do so, here we are at Mureka.ai, and it's relatively straightforward. Here on the right hand side, you can see a couple of songs that we have created, and all you need to do is just come over here to this icon that looks like the down pointing arrow. This is typically an indication that this is a download option. So all you have to do there is just hover over it, and you'll see that you have 4 different options. You can download it as a video, you can download the instrumental and the stem, you can download with a commercial license if you have the basic plan, or you can download as an MP3 also if you have the basic plan. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you'll get $50 to open up an account, and if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. I can personally vouch for this. Simply Financial is a great bank. It is a great deal. It's a win-win for everyone. Simply Financial comes highly recommended.